When it comes to choosing a blender that can handle all your culinary needs, the Amzchef Blender stands out as a top contender. Designed with both versatility and power in mind, this blender is equipped to handle everything, from making silky smoothies to crushing ice, and even preparing hearty soups. With its sleek black design and robust features, it's a great addition to any kitchen. The Amzchef Blender boasts a modern and stylish appearance that will complement any kitchen decor. The blender's exterior is sleek and black, giving it a professional look. A large 68/0 2L pitcher is made of durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring that it can withstand daily use without cracking or breaking. The blender's base is solid and sturdy, providing a stable foundation during operation, even when blending tougher ingredients. One of the standout features of this blender is its infinitely variable speed control. Unlike blenders with preset speed options, the Amzchef allows you to control the speed with a simple knob, giving you complete control over the blending process. This feature is particularly useful when working with different types of ingredients, allowing you to start slow and gradually increase the speed for a smoother blend. Whether you're blending frozen fruits, nuts, or ice, this blender can handle it with ease. The blender comes with 4 preset menus designed to simplify your blending tasks: ice crush, smoothie, ice cream, and juice. Each preset function is tailored to deliver the best results for the specific task, taking the guesswork out of blending. For example, the ice crush preset is perfect for creating perfectly crushed ice for cocktails or slushies, while the smoothie setting ensures a creamy, lump-free texture every time. In addition to the preset functions, the blender also features a pulse function. This allows you to chop ingredients with precision, giving you control over the texture of your blend. The press-to-work, release-to-stop design of the pulse function makes it easy to use, especially when you need to blend ingredients in short bursts. The Amzchef Blender is equipped with a large 2L 68/0 pitcher, making it ideal for preparing multiple servings at once. Whether you're making smoothies for the whole family or preparing a batch of soup for a dinner party, the large capacity ensures that you can make enough in one go without needing to blend in multiple batches. Another convenient feature of this blender is its ease of use. The one-button operation for the preset functions simplifies the blending process, allowing you to prepare your favorite recipes quickly and efficiently. The large pitcher also features a 4-ribs flow-blocking design, which increases resistance to the flow of ingredients, resulting in a more uniform mix. The Amzchef Blender is equipped with 6 Pro blades that are designed to rotate at high speed, ensuring that ingredients are quickly and efficiently crushed. These blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, making them durable and resistant to dulling over time. The combination of the powerful motor and sharp blades ensures that the blender can handle a wide range of tasks, from crushing ice to pureeing vegetables. In addition to its powerful performance, the blender also features a fast heat dissipation system. This system helps to prolong the life of the motor by preventing it from overheating during extended use. The blender also has an overheat protection setting, which automatically stops the motor if it becomes too hot or if the blender is overloaded. This safety feature ensures that the blender remains in good working condition for years to come. One of the key selling points of the Amzchef Blender is its long-term durability. The blender is built to withstand daily use, with high-quality components that are designed to last. Fast heat dissipation system and overheat protection setting further enhance the blender's durability, ensuring that it remains a reliable kitchen tool for years. Amzchef also offers a 2-year warranty on this blender, providing peace of mind that your investment is protected. Should any issues arise, the company's customer service team is available to assist with repairs or replacement, ensuring that you're fully satisfied with your purchase. Cleaning up after using the Amzchef Blender is a breeze. Pitcher, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean them without the hassle of hand washing. The smooth surface of the blender's base can be wiped down with a damp cloth, ensuring that it stays looking new even after repeated use. The detachable parts also make it easy to clean the blender thoroughly, preventing food particles from getting stuck in hard-to-reach areas. This ensures that the blender remains hygienic and ready for the next use. Conclusion: The Amzchef Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that offers excellent value for money. Its combination of a powerful motor, sharp blades, and convenient preset functions makes it a reliable choice for all your blending needs. Whether you're making smoothies, crushing ice, or preparing soups, this blender delivers consistent and efficient results every time. The infinitely variable speed control, large capacity pitcher, and ease of use make it suitable for both novice and experienced users alike. The added safety features, such as the overheat protection setting and fast heat dissipation system, ensure that the blender remains in good working condition for years to come. Overall, the Amzchef Blender is a great investment for anyone looking to add a versatile and durable blender to their kitchen. Its combination of performance, convenience, and affordability makes it a standout choice in its category. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.